Welcome to the final part of our RAG series. We have parsed the data, broken it into chunks, given those chunks meaning using embeddings, and stored them in vector database. Now it's time for the most exciting step, actually using all of that to answer the questions. This is where retrieval and generations happen. Alright, this is where the real magic happens, retrieval and generation. Everything we have done so far, parsing, chunking, embedding, and storing in the vector store, was to prepare the system to answer your question in the smartest way possible. Now it's time to see that in action. Let's break it down. Retrieval. Finding what matters. When someone asks a question, the system doesn't just guess based on memory, but instead of it embeds the question, turns it into vector just like the document chunks, searches the vector store to find the most relevant chunks that semantically matches the question, and after that, select the top few chunks. These chunks are likely to contain the answer or the context needed to answer well. So instead of answering blindly, the system says, let me go check the relevant nodes first. There are different ways to retrieve info. A nearest neighbor. This grabs the closest matches best based on vector similarity. This is also known as semantic search, and this is most widely used searching method. Second is hybrid search. This combines smart vector search with traditional keyword matching. Filtered search. This narrow down the search space using filters like date, topic, source, or author. Re-rank. This sorts the top result again after retrieving for extra accuracy. Multi-hop or multi-step retrieval. This pulls, this is used to pull info from multiple documents to answer the complex question. Generation. This is a place where the crafting of answer happens. Once the system has those relevant chunks, it passes them to language model which now has both question and helpful context retrieved from your own document. With, with both of these, the model can generate a focused, accurate, and grounded response. Not a guess, but an informed answer. And that's what makes RAG so powerful. Instead of answering based on the past training, the model brings in fresh, relevant info and crafts better responses. And that wraps up the RAG pipeline. So, that's the full RAG pipeline in action, from raw data to all the way to intelligent real-time answers. To quickly recap, parsing. This this step, read your files. Second is chunking. In this, we break the text into small pieces called chunks. Third is embedding. This helps AI to understand the meaning of the text. Vector store. This is stored to store the embeddings that we have created. Retrieval. This finds the right context among the bunch of chunks. Generation. This delivered a tailored answer. There are many other tools and approaches that can be used to perform each step. Choose the one that best suits your requirement. I hope this series was useful for you. Thank you.